All right, quick hook to start. America is going cashless. And by the end of this decade, one thing is certain, you're not going to be able to ignore it anymore because it's happening faster than ever. So here's what we're going to cover in this video. First, we're going to define what cashless really means in 2025. Second, we're going to break down how digital payments took over. Third, we'll cover the big drivers behind this huge shift. Fourth, we'll look at who exactly is winning in this new cashless era. Fifth, we'll touch on the concerns and risks of going fully cashless. And finally, we'll wrap it up with whether or not cash is dead for good. If that sounds like a plan, please give this video a thumbs up. Now let's go back to the start. So what exactly does it mean when we say that America is going cashless? Well, simply put, it means that people are ditching physical money like dollar bills and coins and instead opting for digital payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, mobile wallets, and instant payment services. How did this happen? Well, the shift began with the introduction of credit cards in the mid-20th century. These were later replaced by debit cards in the late 20th century. And then came the mobile wallet in the early 21st century, which allowed users to store their payment information in their phones. Now this is what we're seeing today. But there are two other big trends that have been gaining popularity lately. One is the use of instant payment services like Zelle, Venmo, and Cash App. These apps allow users to send and receive money instantly via their bank accounts. And the other is the use of buy now, pay later services. These are short-term loans that allow users to make purchases and pay for them in installments over time. So those are the methods. But why are people switching away from cash? Well, there are four main drivers. The first is tech innovation. New payment methods are becoming more accessible and user-friendly all the time. The second is pandemic habits. People have become accustomed to contactless payments during the health crisis. The third is convenience. Digital payments are simply more convenient than carrying around cash or checks. And the fourth is safety concerns. Many people feel safer using digital payments as it reduces the risk of theft, loss, or damage to their money. Who exactly is winning in this new cashless era? Well, businesses are certainly one of the big winners. Accepting digital payments can save them money on transaction fees and processing costs. They also free up time by not having to count cash or make change. Another group of winners is fintech companies. These are financial technology companies that provide digital payment services. They've been growing rapidly as more and more people switch to cashless payments. And of course, consumers are also winners in this new era. They enjoy the convenience, speed, and safety of digital payments. Plus, they can easily track their spending and budget using digital statements and mobile apps. There are also some potential losers in this shift to cashless. Some people worry that digital payments can be risky, exposing users to fraud, identity theft, and other cybercrime. Others worry that it will leave some groups behind, such as low-income earners or the elderly who may not have access to or be comfortable using digital payment methods. So here's the, do we have anything to worry about? Will cash become obsolete? Well, the truth is it's hard to say for sure, but there are a few things we can look at to try to get an idea. For example, the pandemic may have accelerated the shift to cashless payments, but it's unlikely to be the main driver. In fact, even before the pandemic, there was already a clear trend toward cashless transactions. This is likely to continue as younger generations become more comfortable using digital payments. Also, most central banks are still working on their own digital currencies. This could potentially disrupt the market and lead to even more adoption of digital payments. So what does all this mean for the future of cash? Well, it's possible that cash will become obsolete in the United States by the end of this decade. It's more likely that cash will still be around, but only used for small transactions. Basically, it's safe to say that America's cashless revolution has arrived. And while there are some challenges and risks to consider, the benefits of going cashless are hard to ignore. What do you think? Is cash dead? Or is it just evolving? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Have a great day.